welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I am working with WingsbyHerGivenHair. They sent me over some tape-ins, y'all. Yeah, so first let me just thank WingsbyHerGivenHair for sponsoring this video today. I'm going to show you guys how I installed these two bundles of tape-ins. It's 100 grams of hair in each bundle, and I put in two. And let me tell you, I was sleeping on this hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's so full, and there's only 200 grams of hair in here, and it's so full. And I have hair in the back as well. So listen, you might want to get you some of these. You might want to get you some. But yes, the hair is absolutely beautiful. If you want to see me install this, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we're working with WingsbyHerGivenHair. They sent me over some tape-ins, y'all. Let's get into this. You get a pack of extra tapes. This is like 120 pieces of extra tape, so that's nice. And here is the hair. The hair feels absolutely beautiful. It is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So there's 40 pieces of tape in each bundle, and they recommend 2 bundles for a full install. So I will be installing both of these packs here. But yes, the hair feels really good, really thick. The ends look really good. I love how full it is. Literally, it doesn't get thinner until like the very end, which I love. So I'm gonna install these. I'm gonna show you guys a few in the back, but more so in the front because that angle is just a lot more easy to show. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. I'm so excited. I'll probably straighten these as I go because I feel like that would be easier. Yeah, so let's get it started. Okay, I had to like lighten up to brighten up my camera because it's just getting dark. It's probably because I have so much light behind me. But look at the blend on there. So all these highlights, I dyed my hair like a while ago. The texture is blending beautifully. Absolutely beautiful. What? Let me show y'all the back of this real quick. I installed all 2 packs of the Kinky Straight tape-ins. 80 tapes altogether. When you sandwich them, it's 40. So I just evenly put them around my head. It came out beautifully, you guys, beautifully. Look how this hair just flows. I did go in and straighten every sandwich in between installing them just so it could be, you know, as flat as possible. Look how flat these tape-ins get, okay? What? This hair. Listen, I love freaking tape-ins. I love it so much. This Kinky Straight texture feels so real. And even though my natural hair is like a little light brown, the texture matches very, very good. But yes, this is a full install. Only 2 packs you need to accomplish this like density. But if you don't even want that much, or maybe you already have a full head of hair and you just want to add like maybe some length and maybe just a little bit more density, you can get away with wearing 1 pack. But me, my ponytail looks like this, okay? My hair is thin as heck, so I definitely needed 2 bundles. But this still gives like a natural full head. It doesn't give like, it doesn't look like it's too full, you know? So I love that. I absolutely love that. And you can put this up in a ponytail if you want to. You could do like a half up, half down, all of that if you want to as well. But yes, I was definitely sleeping on this one, okay? Because I had these tape-ins for a few months now. For a few months, I've been sleeping on the tape-ins. I'm going to keep these in for like a week. I'm going to try to keep them in for a week. I got other work to do, but I'm going to try to keep them in for a week because I really love these and they look so natural. So natural. Thank you again, WingsbyHerGivenHair, for sponsoring this video. These tape-ins are phenomenal, you guys. It's giving natural black girl blowout, okay? Yes, yes. And she's moving. Stop. Just stop. All right, thank you so much for you guys for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.